Alright, what's going on today, you guys? So today I'm going to be talking to y'all about the Ninja Nutri-Edge. Ninja Professional, as you can say, Nutri-Edge. Basically got this because I am very much into smoothies. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And you know, I feel like Ninja's always just been known as one of the best smoothie blenders, I guess you could say, that's on the market. I'll take this off right now so you kind of get a better look at it without this. Yeah, and I've had this thing for quite a bit actually. I actually didn't start using it again until I stopped using it for a bit, but kind of got back into the smoothie game, so I've been using it even more. I didn't really like the old smoothie maker that I had. For one, it was very bulky. It was just too big for, only like 2 of us in our house use it. So it was just super big. It was really unnecessary. I love how compact this thing is. It's really hard to clean as well. Again, this thing is really easy to clean. And it just doesn't break things down as well. The Ninja is known for really breaking down different fruits and veggies or whatever you put in it, so it's really nice. This thing, as you can see, is 900 watts. Pretty hefty in terms of power, especially for something that's so small. It breaks things down really well. Even, veggies and fruits that we put in it that are completely frozen. It's not quite a juicer, I guess you could say, but it does extract juice from food very well. From fruits and veggies very well. And so you can get very liquidy, sort of juicy smoothie, rather than something that's very icy or thick as well. So that's kind of one of the nice things about the Ninja, I guess you could say. The great thing about the cup is that it works as an individual cup, and it comes with multiple cups. So you do get a few different sizes. I don't know which size this is. That's the other thing, it doesn't really say the actual sizes on it. They're just different sized. So I can't totally remember on that. But it does come with a few different cup sizes, so you can decide, how much you want to make, how big you want to make your smoothie, how small, whatever. And you can essentially make it personal. They all come with different lids. So essentially you can, take it off your Ninja, screw it on, and you have basically your lid, which is good to go, when you are. Take it on the go, which is nice. This was really great. I was commuting actually to downtown LA from the Valley for a bit, and it was nice to be able to have a smoothie that I could make and then take with me on the go. I didn't have to have another extra cup or anything to put it in. It's already built in that way. So the downside to that is if you do want to make really big smoothies, this thing really won't do that kind of job. So if you're family of 4 or whatever, you make it smoothies for everyone, or you have a little party and you want to make smoothies, wouldn't really recommend this. It's very personal. Say two people at the most you'd be making smoothies for with this thing. It does work manually, so essentially you have to just let it pulse. You turn it on and you pulse it to actually get your smoothies breaking down. So basically however much you pulse it is however much you're going to get out of it. And the blades are really nice, as you can see. I don't really want to touch them too much. They are very sharp, much like knives. They will cut through things very well. Durable. It's lasted for quite a long time, and don't think I've ever really had to worry about them. As for cleaning everything, the cups are very easy to clean, although they do get a little foggy, as you can see after a while. This is definitely a little bit foggy. So it really depends how you clean it. I'm sure I could maybe give it a better clean, but you have dishwashers, so you can put it in your dishwasher. Just make sure you clean them fast, or else they do end up like this. Other than that, the whole thing is very easy to clean. You take this off as well, so you can clean that under there. You can clean inside here as well. That's all very simple. Easy to use. Screw that back on there. So that's how you kind of take it off. You kind of take the entire thing out at once. You can put it back in there. It's good to go. As for the build of the actual thing, it's very small. There's a red box for reference. Kind of my hand next to it. It is very slim, very modern looking, which is great for a modern kitchen, if that's what you have. It is a little heavy for what it is, though. That is one thing. And I think that's great. also because it makes it a little sturdier to use. So even though it's running at pretty high power, it's, you know, I never feel like it's going to tip or it doesn't wobble or shake or anything, you know, so it's pretty solid. But yeah, if you're into juices, smoothies, whatever, I would highly recommend it. Again, it's the Ninja Nutri Edge, the Ninja Professional Nutri Edge, and yeah, definitely check it out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.